An EIN number is a 9-digit number assigned to business owners by the IRS as a means of identification. The EIN is short for Employer Identification Number and is similar to a social security number for an individual. However, it is used for business purposes only. Business owners who wish to file their business on their federal tax returns, open business bank accounts, and or apply for certain licenses and registrations are all required to have an EIN. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Robin Love at King Robin Love, and in this video we're going over what an EIN is, what are the reasons that you need one, and how you can go about getting yours today for free. So if you happen to like this video or find the information helpful, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you can be the first to know when I drop new videos. Business entities, corporations, partnerships, and limited liability companies are all required to have an EIN. This number is free to get, and the application can be submitted online and typically takes about 15 minutes or less to do. So now we'll go ahead and do a quick walkthrough of what that process is going to look like when you go to apply for your EIN. Okay guys, so this is the official IRS website. This is where you are going to want to go when it is time for you to file for your EIN and to make sure that you get it for free. So just to start, the hours of operation are from Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. and then at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to access this overview of the EIN process outside of those hours, but your ability to actually go ahead and apply for the EIN and receive it that same day or immediately after submitting the application is going to be limited to these hours. So you just want to make sure to submit during that time. Now just scrolling down a little bit, you can see they have a section to help you determine your eligibility. You can go through those bullets to confirm that you do in fact need to apply for an EIN. It gives you a brief understanding of what the application is going to look like and around or about how long they expect for it to take. And at step 3, they have the option for you to go ahead and apply online now. So let's just say that is your case. You want to apply online, you would click this button. Now this next page here is a brief overview of the EIN Assistant. So it pretty much just breaks down the fact that the EIN Assistant is made to sort of simplify the process. Once you get done, you'll receive your EIN number immediately, and you can either save that document to your computer or decide to print it off. So we are now ready to go ahead and begin the application. On this next page, we discuss the legal structure of your business. So it is for you to determine if you have a sole proprietor, I wanted to start or get an EIN number for your partnership, corporation, limited liability company, estate, and or trust. So let's just say the person doing this application today is a limited liability company. Now here the IRS is just given a breakdown of what an actual LLC means or consists of as the IRS sees it. So after reading this and confirming that this is in fact your legal structure, you can now continue forward with the next part of the application. On this page, we're going over how many members. So let's just say this is a sole proprietor LLC, which means that the company is only ran by one person, and we are in the state of Illinois. All right, so on this page, they're going to tell you about your tax elections. So unless you decide to send in separate paperwork, they're automatically going to issue or have you report your income on Form 1040. Now you can change that classification. I won't get too much into that in this video. We'll do that one on a follow-up. But you are going to start off with the general tax election for LLCs unless you specify otherwise. So now they wanted to know, why are you requesting an LLC? Did you start a new business, or were you already in business and just hired employees? Did you change your organization type, banking purposes, and etc.? So you can select whichever one is most applicable to your situation and click the continue button. So I'm going to say that we started a new business here. All right, so I won't be able to get past this page actually because I don't have an EIN or business that I am needing an EIN for today. But once you get to this page, as you can see, you are going to enter in your information as it relates to your first, last name, and social. You'll choose if you are an owner or a member of the company, or if you are a third party applying for an EIN. So that is typically selected when you have the external sources or external companies applying on your behalf for a pay or a specific amount. So since you're doing this one yourself, you'll be able to click that one and then continue. And on the next page, they're going to ask you the address of your business. So you'll give your address as it relates to your personal address, but you're going to give an address for your business as well. On step 4, they'll ask you for details on your business. What is your business name? What industry are you in? What type of business are you going to be opening? And once you enter in that information, it'll typically give you a confirmation, and then you'll see a PDF that allows you to click on the document, and you're going to have your auto-generated EIN number now available and ready for usage. So once you get that, you want to make sure to either save it to your computer or print it and place it in your file folder. Just keep it somewhere that you can easily access it, because this is going to be one of the most required pieces for you as it relates to running your business. And that is how you get an EIN number for your business for free. Now, again, an EIN number is required in order for you to file your business on your tax returns, open business bank accounts, and or apply for licenses and registrations. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you can be the first to know when I drop new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.